So if you are an American citizen and you are looking to settle in Canada on a permanent basis, there are various immigration pathways. So the first option will be the standard express entry system. So essentially that's where you create an express entry profile. When your profile is created and at the same time it's active, you become part of a pool of applicants from all around the world. Once that profile is created and it is active, your profile will be given a CRS score. That's called Comprehensive Ranking System score. So that's based on your age, qualification, work experience, and your command of the English language. The higher the CRS score, the more the chances that you will fetch an invitation from the Canadian government to submit that PR application. So this means you will be competing with the applicants in the pool, and whoever has the highest CR score, he or she will be given that invitation to submit their PR application. This is very important. You can have a very high CR score, but if your occupation and profession is not in demand in Canada, chances are you will not get that invitation. So have a look at the screen over here. These are all the categories for which the Canadian government will conduct rounds of invitations on a frequent basis, and your profession and work experience has to be from part of these categories, and it has to be from these occupations for your respective category. If your work experience is not part of these categories, you will not get that invitation to submit your PR application, starting with the French language. If you know how to speak French language on the merit of your skills of the French language, you can easily settle in Canada and get that invitation. Apart from that, we have healthcare and social services occupations, STEM professionals, we have agriculture, trades occupation, and we have occupations related to education. So this was the first option, that is to create an express entry profile, get that ideal CR score, compete with the people in the pool, and finally fetch your invitation to submit your PR application. Second option will be a provincial nominee program. I've held consultations with clients or applicants from America, and majority of the people are looking to settle in BC, and they're looking to settle in Vancouver. But yes, you could also get an invitation from the provincial level first, and then later, if the province nominates you, you can submit your PR application to settle in Canada in that province. So for provincial level immigration, we have two options. So the first option will be a provincial nominee program that does not require you to have a mandatory job offer. You don't have to secure a job offer if it's linked with express entry system. Based on your express entry profile, if your profile aligns with the requirements of a certain province, then chances are you will get that invitation from the province. Second option is to first secure a job offer. So if we talk about BC, Nova Scotia, Prince Edward Island, New Brunswick, all of these provinces require you to have a mandatory job offer. So this means if you secure a job offer with a Canadian employer, you do become eligible to get that invitation from the province. So if the province sends you an invitation, you will submit an application so that province can give you a nomination. If your application is approved, you are nominated by the province, then you will submit a PR application to IRCC. So these are the two options to immigrate over to Canada if you are an American citizen. Apart from that, there's also business immigration, but that means you need to have a certain level of net worth. At the same time, you need to invest certain amounts in your business in order to be qualified. Anyways, if you are looking to immigrate over to Canada, and you're looking for legal or professional advice, I'm a licensed Canadian immigration consultant based in Toronto, Canada. You can book an appointment at the given link here. We'll have a detailed chat about your professional profile, and we'll let you know how you can move forward. Anyways, that's it for now. We'll come back with more updates. Thank you.